Servus und grüßt euch miteinander. Hi everybody. My name is Dieter Vanschura and I'm the owner and manager of the Artelino company. The Artelino company sells Japanese art prints in weekly online auctions. Today I want to talk about a very famous ukiyo-e printmaker of the first half of the 19th century. His name is Kuniyoshi Utagawa. Kuniyoshi lived from 1797 until 1861. 1797, that was when Napoleon Bonaparte drove out the Austrians from Italy and Europe. But in Japan they didn't know anything about that. Japan was a completely secluded country. No Japanese was allowed to leave the country and no foreigner was allowed to come in. But back to Kuniyoshi. Kuniyoshi made an apprenticeship as a woodblock printmaker, and his teacher was Kuniyoshi Utagawa, the head of the Utagawa school in Edo, today's Tokyo, and a very famous printmaker. After Kuniyoshi had finished his apprenticeship at the Utagawa school, however, he had a tough time. He had tough beginnings as a printmaker. Why? Kuniyoshi couldn't get any commissions, or not enough commissions to make a living. That changed with one publication. A publisher planned to publish a novel, a Chinese novel, with the title 108 Heroes of the Suikoden. What is that? That is an old Chinese novel about 108 kind of honorable bandits, a kind of Robin Hood story playing in China. And that was very, very popular in Japan, especially in Edo, the capital of Japan. And Kuniyoshi was commissioned with 108 designs. And after he had published the first 6 designs, that was extremely popular and commercially extremely successful. And from then on, Kuniyoshi was famous and he was commercially settled. He concentrated on warrior prints. That was now his market niche, and his contemporaries even nicknamed him the Warrior Kuniyoshi. Kuniyoshi as a personality must have been a likable man. He had many pupils. He had a prosperous school then himself, and his pupils told that Kuniyoshi liked cats. There were always half a dozen cats strolling around in his studio. And among his pupils, the best one and the most successful one turned out to be Yoshitoshi Tsukioka, who became the master of the Meiji print. What more to say about Kuniyoshi? You like cats, I already told that. And he also had a liking for strong women, quite unusual. Kuniyoshi made quite a few prints with heroic, strong women, and afterwards I'm going to show you a few. We are on the website of Artelino, and this is an article about Kuniyoshi, and there you see one of Kuniyoshi's prints from the series of 108 Heroes of the Suikoden. On our website, in the article section, we show sold prints from our archive. You see this one sold for $650. These designs from the 108 Heroes of the Suikoden are rather popular among collectors. Okay, let me show you a few more prints by Kuniyoshi. Oh, here's one with a cat. Yeah, he's famous for that. And collectors also pay high prices for Kuniyoshi prints with cats on display. This one went out for $200 only. The guy who bought this one was lucky. Okay, and I want to show you one of these strong women Kuniyoshi print designs. Where is it? Where is it? Let me see. Oh, here we have it. Kuniyoshi Utagawa, the pillar thrower. When you click on an image, you get an enlarged version on a separate tab, and okay, there you see that lady throwing a huge pillar. My God. Okay, so much about Kuniyoshi prints. Dear friends of Artelino, so much about Kuniyoshi Utagawa, one of the greatest Japanese printmakers of the 19th century. And if you like his prints, it's not necessary to go to a museum. No, you can acquire a woodblock print by Kuniyoshi Utagawa yourself. Just check the weekly online auctions of artelino.com, and there you can bid and acquire a print by Kuniyoshi Utagawa. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching.